Welcome to GLTC Academy. This is Imtiaz Shihab with you today. We are providing all kinds of assistance related PCO license. We do full application. Also, we provide SERU assessments training. We provide topographical and B1 language as well. So if you need any kind of help related those things, you can contact with us without any hesitation. We are here to help you. Today's video is a bit special because these fill in the gaps are not usual one. These are a bit different, and we will try to cover those fill in the gaps in today's video. We'll try to explain every single steps. And why I'm saying this is a bit different, because we make it we updated these things and we make it a bit complicated. Okay, so you'll see watch till end, and I can believe that if you guys can do this type of mock test, no one can stop you from passing the SERU assessment. Okay, so let's start. Our first question is, once a PHV has been licensed, the registered keeper is given a vehicle license, and we have an "and" here, and after that we have three options. We need to choose one. The first one is license, second one is license, the L is capital, and the third one is licensed. So if we read the rest of the sentence, which says the vehicle license and gap discs. So if we put licensed disc, it doesn't make sense, because it's indicating the license disc. So it has a particular name, the license disc, and the answer will be not license with capital L, because in the middle of the sentence we can't put L. We have some particular what do you call words or parts of speech where we need to make it capital. For example, name of any people, name of any places, those things. But license is not among them, so we need to make it smaller when we are using it in the middle of the sentence. So it should be license, and it shouldn't be the past form I told you, because it's basically a noun, the license disc. So we can't make the noun in past form. Okay, let's move on. Which are fixed to the front and rear? Obviously, windows, headlights, bumpers, windscreens. Now, the answer will be windscreen, because if you are already read the book, then you might know that windows and windscreen, there is a difference. The answer shouldn't be headlights and bumpers. You can't add your disc into the headlights or bumpers. So obviously, you need to be confused. Okay, windows and windscreens. So answer will be windscreen, because we call them basically the windscreens which are preventing the wind to coming into the car. So these are the windscreens. So this is the difference between window and windscreens. Okay, the next question is, PHV license lasts for, obviously you need to know the answer, and this is 1 year. There is nothing about the grammar. You need to know the book knowledge. Okay, and the vehicle must have another emissions annual safety licensing. Okay, it should be inspection. So what type of inspection you need to do okay, after the year when you're going to renew it? So it's not the emissions inspection, it's not the annual inspection, it's not a safety inspection. It will be the licensing inspection, because we are talking about the license. Okay, so the main thing is here you need to use a bit common sense. We're talking about the license, so, and we put a comma, and we all know that when we use the comma, basically, so we use the comma when the sentence is not finished yet. Okay, so we're using the comma here, and we're talking about the license, so it should be the license. The license inspection before a license can be issued. Okay, let's go next. Okay, we have 3 gaps here. The license disc must not be damaged, or damaging. So we know after B, always we need to use the word which comes with ed, okay, or a past form. So the license disc must not be damaged or. And another thing is, it's a tips from my side that if you are like, the rules a or a. Okay, it's basically X or X, something like this. So in front of or and, the structure of the word is with ed. Obviously, like normally it happens in the, especially in the SERU field in the banks. So if you see the structure of the word is like with ed before the or, then you need to put uh, ed after the or as well. So damaged or changed in any way, and you should not what? You should not removed, destroyed, removing, remove. Okay, remember, after the modal verbs, should, after the should, may, might, could, those stuffs. After these things, the verb, the following verb will be in present form. Okay, it shouldn't be changed in any way. So it will be should remove, okay, in any way, and you should not remove the disks even for private uses. Okay, this is the answer. Let's go next. Okay, every PHB must have what? Hire, hired, uncharted, or hiring. It will be hire or reward. It's a name, so you need to remember the name. It's basically the insurance comes for the PHBs or is hire or reward insurance. That is valid. It will be valid. Okay, you shouldn't read the other stuffs. It is valid at all times when the vehicle is used, using, being used, are using. So the answer will be what? The vehicle is using for private hire purpose, because after the is, it's not after the is basically. If you read the whole things, at all times when the vehicle is dash or gap for private hire purposes. So it's basically indicating something continuous, okay? So the vehicle is using, okay? Being used means past. Are using, already there is a is, so we shouldn't use the are, okay? And if you use used, it become past. So no, it is using because it's something continuous. It's something indicating continuous stuff. Okay, let's go next. You must carry details of the vehicles. Validated, valid, being validated, validate. Okay, you must carry the details of the vehicles, valid, hire or reward insurance, and is providing or provides, providing. It should be provide them, not providing, and provide them to the police if. Okay, I told you. Like basically, in front of s and it is insurance, and after that it should be provide. It's not any. The structure normally comes same after and or, like x and x, y or y, something like that. Okay, provide them to the police if ask, in if being asked, if will ask, if would ask, if ask them to the police if being asked. Okay. Well, the next question is, a vehicle cannot be used for private hire if the being licensed, licensing, licensed, license. If the license disc, so we have mentioned before as well. So the license disc, it's the whole thing should be together and it's acting like a noun. Okay, license disc are, after are, we need to put something with ed or ing. So disc missed or missing or miss. So it should be disc are missing or have been what? Changed, being changed or changing, have been changed in any way. Okay, the next question is, sorry, okay, it's already, I don't know why. In some exceptional cases, the PHB granted, okay, may be granted an exemption from the displaying license disc, and the driver must carry the exemption notice at all times. If I explain a bit, so in some we have options that exempted and essential, being exempted and exceptional. So the answer is exceptional. It means in a different case, okay? Like it says as cases as well. So it's a different story. Like sometimes they give you a special permission to do not display the disk. Okay, the next sentence is a PHB may be. So it's maybe after B, we have told that you need to use the word with ed. That's why it should be granted. May we have granted? No, because we already have maybe, and then granting. No, it will be the granted. An exemption from displaying license disk, and the driver must carrying, have carried. So it would be carry. Okay, the exemption notice at all times whenever you are driving. Okay, the last question is a PHB must always have a valid hiring is hired or hired or hired. Okay, valid hire insurance. A valid hire insurance policy when it is licensed or licensing or licensing. So it should be licensed when it is uh, licensed for hire. Oh, when it is licensing for hire. Okay, when it is licensing for hire, and at all times when the vehicle is operated, operating, operate, is operating. So answer will be operated. Okay. So the thing is here, it's a bit difficult, I know as well, and I don't know the answers as well. So I'm trying to do it with you guys, so to make it a bit real. Okay, a PHB must always have a valid hire insurance policy when it is licensing, or it should be when it is licensed. No, it will be like licensed. Okay, it will be licensed. My bad. Okay. So when it is licensed, like when you are doing the licensing like procedures, so the insurance policy must be valid. So they are trying to say this. So that's why it will be the licensed for hire, and at all times when the vehicle is operated. This is the answer basically. And after is, we need to use ed or ing. Those things we know. So it was a bit tough, I know, but I try to explain as much as I can. So if you need more explanation like this, please put a comment, and also subscribe our channel to find a lot of video like this. Also, if you want to buy this mock test, which is very special and a bit tougher, if you are bored with the normal mock test, the normal fill in the gaps, you can buy it and have a try. I know this is a bit complicated, but still, if you do the complicated one and if your score is good here, then no one can stop you from. I already mentioned before starting that no one can stop you. So obviously, if you need the mock test, if you need this type of fill in the gaps, which are a bit hard, then contact with this number which is given below, and don't hesitate to subscribe the channel to find a lot of video like this. Thank you. If you think you need training, then definitely contact this number, and thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.